really bright so you can see it, but he just dove by the water. It's huge. Look at that. There he goes. I don't want to scare him away. Where'd he go? Oh, he's over here. Damn. Where'd he go? Look how beautiful it is today. Look at this. The water's super low. Look at it. But it's so beautiful. Oh, I didn't even see him. And he's gone. But look at how pretty our lagoon is. Look at that. Oh, he's still there. Alright, that was super cool, guys. That happens here all the time. Look at the beauty behind me. Look at this. Is this not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Look at that. It's so pretty. Just thought I'd show y'all what we see here every day. Guys, just wanted to show y'all a little bit of camp. There's my tent and my car. And then over here, we have our own private beach. I'm having trouble seeing what I'm videoing, so bear with me. That's my private beach. And then behind me here, we have Pops. Hi, Pops. And we have our little makeshift tarp we worked up earlier. I'm gonna switch view here. I came up with this concoction earlier. Pops needed some shade. So I got my tarp out. And Pops got a broom for this side. And we have it tethered to the fireplace rock. You can see that. And then up here, we borrowed Ty's. At least I think it's Ty's leveling stick for the centerpiece. And it worked out pretty well, as you can see. Because it is really, really hot today, right, Pops?
Yes, it is.
Super hot.
Super.
But it's been working great. And the lagoon is that way. And down here, there's a path too, but it just takes you along the water. And this is how far I gotta walk to get to my little beach. That's it. I'm on my beach. There's my camp. Nice little place to put chairs. But yeah. Peace out. Look at this little thing that came running up to me, you guys. Isn't she adorable? She's so little. Little miniature chihuahua. She's just so cute and loving. I had to show you. See you later. Check it out, guys. Sizzlers in Blythe, California. Never been. Bob says I have to try it. Yeah. So we're going to eat. Guys, Sizzlers has free ice cream. So we got a little ice cream for our appetizer. Yeah. Right, Mike? Right. Mike's mowing on his. And we got some margaritas. And we got, now we're waiting on our steak and unlimited shrimp. Yummy, look at that. That, you guys, it took him like maybe, what, 10 minutes to bring us out our food. We both got the same thing. Rare steak with loaded baked potato. We demolished that, guys. Just so you know, we're waiting on more. We're on our third helping of shrimp?
Yes, third helping.
Third helping of shrimp. The potato was amazing. Cooked to perfection. The steak was really good too. Not but a big steak person, but I love the shrimp. But the potato was awesome. And the bread. They got bread here that's like garlic bread. It's like Texas toast. It's really good. So, the margaritas, they could have been better.
We'll get you a little chipsy, but I wouldn't recommend it.
They're wineritas, so we figured we'd try them, but oh well. They're still good. Guys, we killed it. Look at that. Excuse-moi, we had 3 helpings of extra shrimp for the unlimited, and I repeat, unlimited shrimp part of our steak and potato dinner. That's the leftovers. Look at all that shrimp. Pops did pretty good too. Look at that. Look at that. And now we're ready to explode, right, Pop?
Yep, that's right. We got places to go, people to see things to do.
We are finishing this. We got an hour before sunsets, so we're gonna race back to town. So guys, I know it's kind of morbid and gross, but it's kind of cool at the same time. We were just driving down the road and here's this carcass of a donkey or something. Look at the hooves on it. Makes me wonder what did this. What out here could have done this. Just wanted to show you guys the things that you find in the desert. See y'all later. Sunset, guys. We're trying to race back to camp. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. Get your minds off the carcass. Look at the fog. I don't know if you can see it out there. Look at it. Pink skies.
In California, we have fog.
We're just going down the road, and I saw it out the window.
It's called the Julie fog.
I like the fog out there. You can see it all over everything. I wonder if that's because it was so hot today.
Yes.
And now it's cooling down. But it's like there's a thick layer of fog on the top of everything. Look at that sky, though. Another Arizona sunset. This out, you guys. Look at the fog in the water on the Colorado at sunset. It's so pretty. Wow. It was so hot today, you guys. It's no wonder that we're getting a sunset like this. And fog. Look at that fog. Smooth on the water.
Go more.
Might sit down and try it.
Let's go a little bit deeper. What?
Now he puts in his
It's just a tie thing.
Yeah,
99.
I don't usually get tired. I get drunk and then I kind of sneak off. If I can. All right, I can walk now.
I will carry you. You know that. You and Mike get a pass. And technically, everybody gets one, just like Spider.
Damn, that shit burns hot.
Um,
My legs are